In this video, I will talk about how to run a f-test for differences of two variances using Excel. Equality of variances among different populations is often an important assumption for statistical tests such as ANOVA. Fortunately, we can use the f-test for differences in two variances to determine whether two population variances are significantly different from each other. Assumptions are simple. First, the populations from which the two samples are drawn are normally distributed. Second, the two populations are independent of each other. Here is the example. Assume two samples are drawn from two normally distributed populations, A and B, respectively. Determine if there is a significant difference between the population variances of the two groups, using an f-test at a significance level of 0.05. The null hypothesis will be saying that two variances are equal while the alternative hypothesis says that they are unequal. If you look at the sample variances of two samples, they differ a lot. However, we need the result of the f-test to conclude it holds for the population variances as well. Here, we will use the Excel add-in, Analysis ToolPak. If you haven't installed it, please go to episode 4 to follow the steps. Now, go to Data and select Data Analysis. Choose f-test, 2 sample for variances. For variable 1 range, select Group A data including the labels. For variable 2 range, select Group B data including the labels. And check the box Labels too. You may change the level of significance alpha if needed. For output range, I select cell G1 to export the result. The report only shows you the one-tailed p-value. However, this is a two-tailed test. Therefore, we need to multiply it by 2 before we compare it with alpha. Since the two-tailed p-value is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. Two population variances are unequal. That's how you run a f-test for differences in two variances. I hope it helps. See you next time.